Guys, all we need now is 5 minutes to prepare this liver. So come, let's prepare this liver together. First, we're going to use this funny name sauce along with some fish and meat sauce, along with some hot mango sauce. Then we're going to go in with some Maggi chicken season along with some adobo all-purpose season. Then we're going to go in with complete seasoning, and I'm also going to use some paprika for color, or garlic and pimento seed, onion, bell peppers, thyme, hot pepper. Combine together and set that aside. Then we're going to eat some oil. Add all the liver in. I'm going in with some hot pepper just to give it a kick. Red pepper flakes, I should say. Then we're going to combine the ingredients together. Guys, once all the liver change from that rich brown color to a lighter brown color, the liver is done cooking, and that will roughly take about 5 minutes. If you need a little ketchup, you can go ahead and add that. If you need browning, you also can add that to it. But I'm eating mine simple and plain, or plain and simple. Go ahead and enjoy this with your favorite side. I was eating fried dumpling with this, but you can have bread, rice, dumplings, boiled bananas, and